Welcome to Module 8. This is where we see a quick and easy chatbot installation for your website. In a matter of few minutes, you can install a chatbot on your website. For this demo, we'll use an example of a sample dental clinic. We'll call it ABC Dental Clinic. And so this is the sample website of this ABC Dental Clinic. This is a single page, simple, neat website. On this website, we are installing the Shogini AI Chatbot. So on the right side, bottom, you can see the icon of the chatbot. So this chatbot has been customized to answer questions pertaining to this specific clinic. So for this, we have created a sample knowledge base for this clinic. User questions are answered based on the data that we feed into this knowledge base. So let's click on the AI chatbot icon on the right side bottom to open the chat interface. Here you will be greeted with a welcome message that can be customized, and also the icons that you see too are customizable. Now let's ask, how much will it cost to whiten my teeth? So it gives an answer from the knowledge base that it is going to cost 5,000. Now let's verify this in the knowledge. Okay, see, here is the answer. Notice that this answer is not blindly picked up from here and pushed to the user. It is intelligently converted into a meaningful answer and given back to the user. Okay, next question. Is it possible to fix my broken teeth, and how much for it? Okay, so now again, see here, the answer is a detailed answer. Yes, it is possible to fix the broken teeth at ABC Dental Clinic. The price for fixing broken teeth depends on the specific treatment required. For restorative dentistry, such as fillings, price is 2,000 per filling. For more extensive treatments like crowns and bridges, the price is 8,000 per crown. It is recommended to schedule an appointment with one of our dentists for a comprehensive evaluation and personalized treatment plan. See, notice how the reply is, and let's look at the knowledge base and see what we have fed in. Do you notice this? So it's able to really give meaningful answers to the user. Next question, can I avail insurance for my treatment? Yes, we accept all major dental insurance plans. Please bring your insurance information with you for your appointment. And the knowledge base, what we have provided is, do you accept insurance? Yes, we accept all insurance plan. And bring your insurance information with your appointment. Next question, do I get any discount? Yes, there is special promotions available at ABC Dental Clinic. They offer new patients a discount of 20% on their first visit. And there is also a teeth whitening special with a discount of 1,000 for a limited time. So now if you look at the knowledge base, you notice there are special promotions. New patient discount 20% off your first visit, and teeth whitening 1,000 rupees off for a limited time. Next is, what is the accounting software you are using? And see the reply. Apologies, we couldn't locate the answer. Please give it another try. So if you ask something which is not there in the knowledge base, you will get a negative reply like this. Okay, so now let's look at how to improve the chatbot, because it's not that the first knowledge base that we prepare is good enough to handle all customers and all types of questions. So we at Shogini System provide an interface for every business for them to watch and see the questions that are replied and questions that are not replied. So here, this is the interface, and here you see the replied questions. Here you see the failed question, and you can expand the failed question to see the question and the answer. And accordingly, you can improve the knowledge base. Thank you very much for completing this module. Best wishes. See you in the next module.